Hey there, world changers. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know I've just released my latest podcast episode with Professor John Peterson from Oberlin College. And the reason why I'm so excited to share this episode is because what he studies is what I am so interested in, which is how do people respond when they get to see their environmental impact displayed on the wall on a digital screen. And so what he studies is, well, how does it affect you just seeing the numbers? What happens if we add color? What happens if you can consciously see the screen and you respond to it? But also what happens if people unconsciously respond, meaning that the screen works even if you don't even notice it? Then what happens if you add in a character, like a cute animal that smiles when energy use is low and then frowns when energy use is high? And how can we use these type of systems in terms of displaying the impact of our whole city and how our schools and our buildings fit into that, and then our own personal use into a whole systems thinking style of approach? Now, John Peterson is a wealth of knowledge and insight, and I really enjoyed doing this episode, and I hope you'll get a chance to listen to it, subscribe to the podcast at the link above, and thanks for watching.